Okay, for those of you that don't know how to install the EA, just a quick video on that, and obviously we'll just go into the settings as well. Okay, so open up your platform. You would have been sent the EA via your email, so just download that from your email. Copy the folder, the exe folder, from your downloads. Go into open up your platform. Click on File, open Data Center, click on MQL4, Experts, and then just paste it into there. Okay, you can see I've got a copy there because already, and then close the folder. It probably won't show up in your files straight away. Let's have a quick look. EA's okay, so it hasn't got it's only got the original there. Close your folder, close your platform down and restart it. Okay, and you can see it's there, Pitmaster copy. Drag that onto the chart. We'll put the one that I prefer to use. Try a 15-minute chart on the Euro US dollar is the best one. And drag the EA on, you'll get a box come up. The common results, make sure you've got allow live trading clicked. Make sure you've got DLL imports clicked, allow import of external experts, allow modification of signal settings, allow common long and short, make sure they're in there. Make sure that your auto trading is clicked to on, because it's going to now tell me that you need to enable auto trading. So enable auto trading, drag it across. Okay, make sure all these things are ticked. Go to inputs, and it's got stop loss. I recommend leaving the stop loss at 0. I know that sounds risky, but because of the hedging strategy, it will always have a hedging trade open. Plus, you need to have a 0 stop loss for the basket trade to work effectively. If you want to use a stop loss, then I recommend a fairly large one. Take profit. Initial take profit you want that to have for 250 pips. If you're unsure why it's so big, then check out the backtest video that shows how the EA works. And then recovery take profit, I set 25 pips. You can go as low as 5 pips, depends on how quickly you want to recover your profits. Lot size, I always trade at the smallest lot size because you are incrementing up as the basket trade recoveries initiate. And then just click on OK. Expert loaded successfully, and you're done, ready to trade. Thanks for watching.